Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got another bulk case. I've got a bunch of clothing in it. Let's see what's inside. All right, before we get into this case, let me give you the specifications. This is a Bulq.com case. It's a little bit easier to work with because it's smaller. So if you have a smaller space, this might be better for you than the pallets that I sometimes buy. It's a women's and baby apparel, uninspected returns, which is exactly what it sounds like, totally uninspected. 180 items in this tiny little box. It retails at $2,178. I paid $187 for the box. Bulq does a $30 flat rate shipping for a total of $217. When I average that out between the 180 items, I'm at $1.21 per item. I'm gonna find some items that are gonna be unsellable, so it'll probably raise my per item price to about a $130 or $150. So keep that in mind when we get into the box, and we'll go ahead and see what's in here. So I would not normally do clothing, but I do a lot more selling on Poshmark. And so that's part of the reason why I've started buying some apparel boxes, because you really can't beat the price of $1.20 per item on any kind of apparel. You know, you can't even find that at a retail store on clearance. So I'm hoping that that goes good. If I can get into this box without cutting the clothing itself or myself. There we go. There we go. All right. So let's go ahead and just start looking at it. So as you can see, it's packed totally full, which I'm super excited about. There's some of these things that I've already got listed on Poshmark, so I'll just adjust my listings. And I'm hoping that maybe we can get a lot of this listed in the next 2 or 3 hours. So it's been taking me right around 3 to 4 hours to list everything in a box this size with this many items in it, and that's on Poshmark and Amazon. So let's just start pulling stuff out. This is a nursing bra, which is going to be a good seller for me, and the large size makes a good seller. It's a little bit smushed, but it looks like it's in good condition. Here's a front clasp bra. Gilligan and O'Malley and Exhilaration are primarily the brands in here, and I have got a lot of those listed on Poshmark. The Exhilaration's the lower end brand. But I can still make money off of it, especially when you're paying $121 a piece. Here's a set of tights. So underwear and tights I'm gonna put back here on this other table, and then we'll give you a view of what it looks like at the end. Here's another nursing bra, good size. Those are gonna be great sellers for me. Just as an example, it originally was $17, which doesn't sound like a lot, but you know, I could probably still get about 15 on Poshmark for it. So
what do you do with the clearance label?
The clearance label, I always take the clearance label off, because you don't want someone to buy it for 10 bucks from you and then realize, if I would have went to Target, I could buy it for 5. It just makes your customer angry. So I would suggest not doing that. Sports bras, regular underwear bras. Also, Bulq supplies a lot of the stock photos, and so you can utilize that in listing as well as the title that they give you. So that's the nice thing about getting stuff from Bulq. Let me see, we've got some Santa socks. Okay, these are gross. If you look at them, they're totally dirty. And so these would definitely not be resellable, and so they're gonna basically go in a pile back here of trash. All right, you can launder them if you so choose, but I don't take the time for that. This is an Auden brand set of panties. They're originally $5. What I've been doing with a lot of the regular underwear is putting them in lots of 5 and selling a 5-pack of a variety, and it's per size. So like this is an extra small, I'll put them with all the extra smalls, and I've got a couple of listings that have thongs and regular underwear, and so that'll get added to that, so I'll be able to make another lot. Here's another really nice Exhilaration bra. Got another bra here. So what I do when I'm done is I usually sort it all out. Just so you know, there's certain specific styles. Like this one is considered a racer back, and you can see the difference in the straps. So most straps go directly over the top and connect in the back. This one connects to a strap in the middle. That's considered a racer back. So in looking to list things, that's always really nice to know what it's called. And then this one has a crisscross back on it. So we're gonna put some of the similar styles together. Let's see. So I do usually get packs like this. and I take the best packs that I have. These are called boyfriend cotton underwear. There's 4 of them supposed to be in here, and I see 4. There's a white pair, a gray pair, a pink pair, and a blue pair. So if I doctor up this box, this may be something that I can sell. Probably not Amazon worthy, but it's definitely one that I can look into selling. Here's a pair of underwear. Here is, they are ridiculous with their tape. It drives me crazy. All right, so this one, the tags fell off, so they decided to go bonkers with the packing tape. So I'll pull it off and see. The problem with the tape is a lot of times once you pull this off, it leaves it real sticky. It makes picks in the material, and it may damage it. So I'm gonna try my best to be as careful as I can. Here's a 7-pack of briefs with only 2. So I may find the rest of the briefs in here, so we'll go on the hunt. Here's some smaller kind of bras, 32 AA. Those don't sell as high as the larger sizes, but they still do sell if you price them right. Here's some more underwear, some more smaller bras. Here's a really cute, some of these take a really nice picture if you put them up on a mannequin. I'm really good about if you place it on a mannequin, some of these size ones, you know those little padding you put for shipping? You can put one of those air ones inside that on a mannequin, and it makes the form stay nice for a picture. Some more underwear that's gonna go in my sets. I'm gonna inspect every piece and make sure they're good. Here's another green bra similar to those purple ones. Let's see what else we got. These are Champion Athletic underwear. Some more bras. So here's a halter style. This one has just one strap, goes up around the neck, and it's adjustable. Here's some more underwear. This is supposed to be a 5-pack. It's only a 4-pack, so I'll be on the hunt for another one that matches this set.
What do you do if you don't find that?
If I don't find that, I generally will take these out and add them to my 5-pack bundles. But my 5-pack bundles right now are kind of fancy underwear like this, where they kind of have a little bit more style to them. And so I'll keep them, and then I can take a picture of this and say that it's a 4-pack instead of a 5-pack and sell it just like that. Sometimes I'll get multiple ones from different boxes, and so I'll keep it, and if I find another half set, I can make a full set for a full box. So those are some options for you, but you can sell them as is. It just specified that it's a 4-pack. Here's another pair of fancy underwear, an extra large size. Some more fancy underwear, medium size. Here is a racerback sports bra. Ooh, this is a t-shirt. Tank top, what's this say? All the good vibes. So that's different in the intimates box. We got some socks here. So this is an actual set of socks that would probably be in good sellable condition. Here's another set of socks. Just the packaging is coming off, so we'll just doctor that up a little bit. Here's some high-waisted shapewear is what this is called. Maiden form. A lot of times the maiden form will go on Amazon, and so we're gonna check and scan all the barcodes to make sure. This is a set of tights that came out of its packaging. Let me see. Star Wars bra. I know I have this already listed online, and so I'll just adjust the listing to add that specific size. I think this is a good size bra. This is a 40D. This is also a nursing bra, so I'm going to set it over here. Nursing bras are selling really well right now. Here's a set of 2 pair of underwear. So here's a front clasp bra. Here's another set of 2-pack of underwear. Those sell really well for me. There's another one, that's a nursing bra. This is a racerback bra with the lace down the middle. And so when I get these, Bulq has a stock photo that you can get, but it's only gonna show the front. And so a lot of times what I'll do is I'll list it with a stock photo and then just take my phone and add an additional picture so that they can see what the back of it looks like. Because really the selling point of that bra is the cuteness of the back. So I've already got this one online, so I'll just add it to my current listings. Some more underwear, another nursing bra. And the way you can tell it's a nursing bra is, come close. There's little clips that come apart on these nursing bras. And then usually on the inside, it has extra lining. Now this one doesn't have an extra thing on it. This one is, yeah, see, well, this one's actually just a detachable. This one's a nursing bra. It has little clips like this where you can just snap this part off. And then there's an extra piece in here. So if you're wondering how do I know right away that it's a nursing bra, and you can tell, the easiest way is to look on the inside. There's always an extra piece of fabric holding the strap on. So hopefully that helps. All right, we've got some kids, boys Hanes. So we do have some children's stuff. That doesn't sell as well, but you never know. It's a really good bundle item. Here's some leggings. Those sell great for me always. Here's some more, another halter bra. What is this? I want to see what this red shiny thing is. Now there is a pair of Monster Cuddle Monster is what they say. They're like boxers. Look at those things.
They're for cuddling.
They're for cuddling. Yes, exactly. Those are wild, loud.
Any guy that wears those isn't thinking about cuddling.
No, no cuddling at all. Here's some other styles of bras. So let me see, we got quite a few in here. I'm just trying to find some different stuff to show you. Some more underwear. Some sheer bras with an underwire. These are padded with underwire. Let's see. Regular ones. Different colors with detachable straps, which is a nice option for people. Here are some pantyhose, some leggings and pantyhose tights. This is shapewear. It's coming out of the packaging, but we'll see what it looks like. Oh, here's some, what is this? Lilo and Stitch slippers, Disney.
Milo and Stitch?
Milo, I think it's Lilo and Stitch. Correct us if we're wrong. Is it Milo or Lilo? Comment below. Milo or Lilo. All right. Alrighty. Here is a classic tank top. We're gonna make sure there's supposed to be 4 in here. My guess is there's probably not 4. So we'll check that out and make sure everything is there. If not, we can list it with a different increment of numbers. Here's some Champion underwear. Probably not a whole pack, but we'll check it out. Here are little baby bloomers. So we're gonna scan that. Has a barcode. It's a swim diaper actually. So that actually might sell pretty well online right now since it's June. Some more tights. Just some, there they go with the tape again. So I can guarantee you when I pull this tape off, because it's got a mesh overlay on the bra, it's gonna rip it. So that frustrates me, but that's all right. All right, Fruit of the Loom underwear says they're supposed to be, oh no, this is camisoles. They're tank tops, little tank tops. Says they're supposed to be 5. There is actually 5 in here. So more bras, more bras, more bras. Some more bras. Here's another Star Wars one. So check my Poshmark store if you're interested in any of these things. I've got them, a lot of them already listed, and by the time you see this video, they will be listed. So we're gonna go ahead and speed up this process so you get to see everything. All right, let's finish it up. We got some long underwear, perfect for the hot month of June. There's nothing in that package. Underwear. All right, some Goodfellow boxers, Munchkin baby stuff, underwear, more underwear, more underwear, more underwear. So these are all gonna go in my 5 packs. Here's some leggings, underwear, tights, pair of underwear. These underwear are super duper soft. This is a nursing bra without a wire. Sometimes ladies like the wireless ones, so make sure you specify that in your listings because, you know, some people are particular wire or wireless. Lots of pantyhose, not in good enough packaging to sell on Amazon, but definitely if I wanted to make a listing as a bundle, if these are all the same size, I'll probably bundle 4 or 5 of them together. Believe it or not, people will buy pantyhose on Poshmark. I've sold some already. And last thing is another pair of hose and a pair of underwear. So that kind of gives you an idea. Less bras in this one, but I think almost every single bra that I see is one that I've listed before, so I'm just gonna have to add it to my already Poshmark listings and change the increments of what sizes. A lot more underwear, and I see some baby swim diapers. I'm really excited about those. I'm hoping those will go to Amazon because the packaging on those are great. So again, $1.21 per item. I think I probably saw about 10 to 15 items that are going to be completely in unsellable condition unless I can make some like Hanes underwear packs and stuff with stuff I've already got, because I have a whole box about halfway full of a bulk box full of non-completed underwear packs that I may be able to complete now that I have opened the last box of clothing. So hopefully I can make some money. I'm going to get right back to you and give you a total. I'm going to go through all of these things and give you a guesstimation of where I think I'm going to list most of this and how much I think I can make. All right, so I've gone through everything, and after having gone through this pile, I'm looking at about 27 items that are going to be totally unsellable. I just can't make packs, or it's going to be a lot of extra work that I'm not willing to put in to make some of these packs. So it'll get donated probably to one of the clothing donation bins because it's all brand new, and you know, the item is in good condition, the packaging is not. And then I've got all of these bras. I have a little bit higher rate of sale price-wise because some of these are the larger sizes and they always sell for more money, and because they're a nursing bra, they're going to sell more for what I ask for them, and I won't have to discount them as much to get them moving. Some of the smaller ones I will have to discount to get them gone, but you know, I price them as accordingly. So 27 unsellable. I think about 10 of them, 10 of the items in this whole lot are going to go to Amazon, which will be average about 10 bucks a piece or 5 bucks a piece. So 50 bucks is what I think I can make on Amazon. So that's less work, obviously. About 150 is going to go to Poshmark, but I've got a lot of these listings made already. So I'm guesstimating 2.5 to 3 hours worth of work to get everything listed, scanned, sent out to Amazon, or listed on Poshmark, labeled, packaged, and put away. And so I'm thinking about 3 hours worth of work, but total, I think I can make about $4 on average to Poshmark, and that is an extremely conservative number. I've actually been selling bras like this for around the $10 profit margin, which means they sell around $15, $16, $20, and then I'm getting to keep $10 after I pay myself back. So $650 is what I think I can make on this whole thing. 3 hours worth of work is what I am guesstimating, so $650 worth of total profit. If I take off my $217, I'm around the $400 mark for what I think I can make in 3 hours worth of work. So I'm excited about that. I think we're going to do really good. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.